one.
How we doing, everybody? It's Larry at Republic. We're getting ready to do our first ever case break of 2015 Panini Draft Picks football. The case contains 20 boxes, 2 autographs per box. About ready to do the division slots right now. Let's take a look at it. And get out of you guys' way there. We actually rolled a 7, 5, and a 2. So, go ahead and get these lists ready. I apologize, guys. This takes a little bit of time while we're getting this stuff together. And we will go until it says we've randomized the list 7 times. I'm going to stop there for a second in case you guys want to get zoomed in a little more. So there's your numbers 1 through 8 now. So what we're going to do is just copy here. Let me try that again. Okay, so now we're going to do the same thing on the customer side. And again, we're going to go 7 times. And let's see. And this is the way the customers are going to line up with their names here. So I'm just going to grab that real quick, just so I can get it here. And I want you guys to be able to kind of get a zoom in there. So basically, who is number 1 is going to have the NFC West, and then so on and so forth. So we're going to go ahead and head over, guys, where the case is on this side. You're about to meet one of our other workers, Eric. He's actually going to help me go through the 20 boxes, just so I don't have to drive myself crazy getting everything open. So to show you guys, we are starting off with seal case. Nothing's been opened on this, and I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see the setup of what we're opening here. And see if we can't do this as neat as possible. Alright, let's get that bit out of the way. So again, being a box break of 20 boxes, we're going to concentrate more on the low numbered inserts, or obviously any of the autographs that are coming out of the staff. Let's see here. Give me the tougher pads.
Base cards in this one.
Yeah, so again, we're not going to worry too much on the base cards as we go through this. We want to kind of get to speeding up the video for you guys so you're not waiting too long to see everything. So we have a green version, Chris Connolly. I'll just show you guys there. It's a short print Prizm variety of it.
Yeah, Jawan Edwards auto here.
Nice.
Oh, you beat me, get the first auto. Let's see. And we got a little defense insert card here, guys, of one of the other rookies that we have.
These cards.
Unfortunately, can't really talk too much of this being the Allegiance set, but you can get, oh, here's my first auto here. Connor Halliday there, gold variety. There. Yeah, keep passing the Prizms there. We won't worry about the basic Prizms. We'll look for more of the camos and the different refractors. There's a Prizm Gurley, Todd Gurley there, #1 pick of not #1 pick, but at least first round pick of the Rams. He actually got Rookie of the Year.
All-American Marcus Mariota card here.
There's more of the style Prizm that they do with the rainbow look here.
These cards.
We're going to have a lot of base cards coming from this stuff here. It's quite packed. This is called Team Trademarks. It's a Garrett Grayson. This is the one of the quarterbacks from the class here.
Also Tevin Coleman, the same team trademarks there.
Still got each of our autos coming, don't we? Oh, there we go. So Stephon Diggs auto. So there.
And a Brandon Scherf auto.
Okay.
So Vic Beasley auto.
So here's kind of like the mirrored or cracked light style prism there that they do for this product there. And we have the David Cobb helmet card there. That another little cool little design card that they do for that. We'll have Eric get his last pack through, and then we'll that next. First out of the second box here is Jordan Phillips. Put that there. Each on this box. Oops. That was a base card. Dwight Freeney. Eric, I might actually hand my base cards there and let you put those on the side on there. Give us more room in the center. Just move those over there, yeah, just to give us more room in the middle. And again, I'm going to skip a lot of these basic inserts, but we'll show you just another style of the defense ones there that they get. We'll try to just get back onto the, yeah, we'll just try to get back onto having just the autos. And we have Jesse James.
Quan Alexander.
Are both your autos already?
Yep.
I'm sorry guys, not talking about a lot of these different cards that we get in. It's just we're trying to show everybody out of the case what you have the chance of getting.
All-American variation here, Justin Gilbert.
This is actually a pretty cool setup of the Chris Conley that I got earlier there. Kind of a nice little setup of that. Tough pack.
Nice Tyler Lockett autograph here.
Oh, nice. We end up having a good season.
Just a little Rob Gronkowski variation there.
Oh, it is cool. Doesn't hurt to be getting any Gronkowskis. I feel like we should play Jeopardy music or something, right? Like just
Background music.
no trivia questions though. But. Another locket?
Another little Tyler Lockett variation there.
J. Yeldon auto. Jaguars running back. It's a cool example of the color there to get a little bit better. Didn't think that you guys might not see with the light there.
Sammy Coates autograph.
Good, isn't it? I always wish every time we have a hard pack to open it ends up being a super card, but never know. I'm not saying anything bad. It's actually the #1 pick, Winston. There, you got the either cracked ice or mirrored look that you guys can see there. Couple base young rookies there. Yeah, these are pretty cool here. This is actually the camo edition. I'm not sure if move that a little bit there so you might be able to see, but it's kind of a neat little setup that they do with the card to give her a good little look. So
It's Devontae Parker variation here. 41 out of 49.
oh, it is cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, All American, another one there, but try to find the good names anyways. And this here is the Andres Pete, the camo auto.
It's Lorenzo Doss autograph.
That box is actually cool. I had 2 camo cascades out of it.
This little Jamal Charles camo card here. Another 199.
So we have PJ Williams auto from Florida State. Cool little Phillip Rivers variation there.
This Jalen Strong camo, numbered out of 199.
That's cool.
This Brian Bennett autograph, numbered out of 25.
It's actually a cool mirrored or cracked ice look of a Tom Brady insert card there. It's pretty neat.